Greetings and welcome. Glad you're here today.
Hey y'all, today we're going to talk about some plum oil. And during this video, we're going to talk about hydrators and we're going to talk about a light moisturizing lotion.
And I wonder if I could say we're going to talk about any more during this video. Today I'm sharing with you guys a very light moisturizer. This formula will work great for someone with oily skin, or if you just prefer a lighter lotion or moisturizer. Super easy to make with ingredients that you can find at online suppliers. Make sure to check the description box where I'll have all the ingredients listed and where you can find them. Add 78 grams distilled water. Add 3 grams glycerin. And a reminder, glycerin draws water from the atmosphere and draws it into your skin. Add 2 grams sodium lactate. Sodium lactate is also a hydrator like glycerin. It just doesn't give you that sticky feel. And 0.5 grams allantoin twine. Allantoin twine is known for its soothing properties. It's also skin softening and it protects the skin. Now we're going to move on to our emulsifier and our second beaker full of ingredients. I love this emulsifier. Once everything's made up, it almost looks sort of iridescent, and it also has a very light feel. I just really love this emulsifier out of all the ones that I've tried so far. Next, you'll want to add 10% Neissance squalane. The biocompatibility and the ability to penetrate the skin makes this one of my favorite ingredients. This ingredient has a very silky, smooth feeling to the skin. It also is non-comedogenic and it can restore the skin's elasticity. It's also EcoCert approved and USDA certified 100% bio-based. Next, you want to add 2 grams plum kernel oil. This oil is very moisturizing and nourishes the skin. Now it's time to put these beakers into a water bath, and we want to heat them up to 158 and replace any water loss. Then we're going to pour the oil into the water phase and it'll look like this. And then we're going to mix it with a blender and put it into an airless container. I had to use the syringe to be able to get it in there. It's the only way you can get it in. There's another shot of it. But anyway, here is your formula to make a moisturizer. I actually use this as a facial moisturizer because it is so light. If you learned anything in this video, go ahead and subscribe. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.